Okay, so hopefully you've watched the YouTube video on what the Leitner system is, and it's a way to help you learn. Each day, if you get a question right, you move it to the next envelope or box or whatever you're using. If you get it wrong, it goes back. The idea being that the more regularly you practice something, the better you're going to remember it. Now, I've got a Year 7 knowledge book here, and I've got a science section about reflection of light. So in terms of making my actual cards, I've cut up some coloured card here. They're not very big, so I am going to learn this little bit here, this diagram. I need to know which bit is reflection, this line, which bit is absorption, and which bit means transmission. So I'm not going to overcomplicate it to start with. I'm going to draw this solid piece here, and I'm going to draw my dotted line that goes in and then out again. So I'm copying just this dotted line here onto my card. From there, that's actually all I'm going to put on this side. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to write the word reflection. So this now is a card I could use it either way. I could tell myself what reflection is and then I could turn it round, or I could look at the diagram and then turn it round once I've said that it's reflection and see that I'm correct. So I'm going to put this in my little pile of things that I am going to learn. So I've got another one here. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to draw the solid object here, and I'm going to draw this line and put the arrow on. So it's going all the way through the solid object, and I would think to myself, what does that mean? I would say the word, hopefully I'll be getting it right, and say transmission, and then I can turn it round, and on the back it's going to say transmission. Okay, so these are nice and simple cards. I'll do another one for the absorption, and they allow me to do it either way. I can either start with a diagram and then say the word and turn it around to check my answer, or I could start with the word and think about what the diagram would look like and turn it around to check my answer. And you could do this for a number of things, so that's just a diagram. I'll do another video to show you another subject.